Have you ever wondered how Snowflake architecture works? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to break down the fascinating structure of Snowflake, a cloud-based data warehousing platform. We'll cover the basics first, then dive deep into the three layers that make up its architecture: the database storage, query processing, and cloud services layers. We'll also tackle a few common interview questions related to Snowflake architecture. Stay tuned as we delve into the intricate workings of Snowflake architecture. Snowflake architecture is divided into three layers. Can you guess what they are? Let's unravel this together. The first layer, the database storage layer, is where all the data lives. It stores structured and semi-structured data, providing limitless elastic storage. The second layer, the query processing layer, performs all the necessary computations. Comprised of multiple independent processing nodes, it ensures parallel processing for speedy data retrieval and analysis. The third and final layer, the cloud services layer, is the brains of the operation. It coordinates and manages the entirety of Snowflake's resources, including sessions, transactions, and metadata. It's also the layer that provides the necessary security, ensuring your data is always safe and sound. These layers aren't isolated islands of functionality. Instead, they're interconnected, working in harmony to provide the robust, efficient data processing that Snowflake is renowned for. These layers work together seamlessly to give you the powerful, efficient data processing that Snowflake is known for. Let's first explore the database storage layer, the foundation of Snowflake's architecture. This layer is where all your data lives. It's like the Grand Library of Alexandria, but for your data. It's designed to store, organize, and manage data in cloud-native storage systems. Think of it as the warehouse manager, keeping track of everything that comes in and goes out. Now, the beauty of this layer lies in how it separates storage from compute resources. This separation allows for infinite scalability, cost efficiency, and improved performance. When data is loaded into Snowflake, it is automatically divided into micro-partitions. These micro-partitions are then compressed and stored in a columnar format, optimizing for speed and efficiency. And here's the kicker. The database storage layer is fully managed. That means no manual indexing, no data distribution, and no performance tuning. It's all taken care of for you. The database storage layer is the bedrock of Snowflake, enabling it to handle vast amounts of data efficiently. Next in line is the query processing layer. Ever wondered how Snowflake processes your queries so fast? Let's delve into its inner workings. The query processing layer is the brain of the Snowflake architecture. It's where the magic happens, where your SQL queries are executed. The layer comprises multiple virtual warehouses that are essentially clusters of computational resources. These warehouses execute queries independently, allowing for massive parallel processing. So when you fire up a query, Snowflake doesn't break a sweat. It simply assigns a virtual warehouse to handle your request. This not only speeds up individual query times, but also allows multiple queries to run simultaneously without any performance degradation. This scalability is a game changer, especially for big data scenarios. It's like having an army of processors ready to tackle your data tasks at a moment's notice. With the query processing layer, Snowflake ensures your queries are executed swiftly and accurately. Finally, we arrive at the cloud services layer. This is where the magic happens. The cloud services layer is the command center of the Snowflake architecture. It's responsible for coordinating and optimizing the entire system. Now, you might be wondering, what does this entail? Well, it's quite a handful. This layer handles tasks such as authentication, infrastructure management, metadata processing, and query optimization. In essence, the cloud services layer is the invisible hand that keeps the Snowflake system running smoothly. It ensures that the database storage layer and the query processing layer work together seamlessly. This layer is the reason why Snowflake is a fully managed service. It takes care of the nitty-gritty details, so users can focus on what they do best: analyzing data and gaining insights. The cloud services layer is the brain of Snowflake, making it a powerful, fully managed data warehouse. Now that we've taken a tour of Snowflake's architecture, let's summarize what we've learned. We explored the three layers: the database storage layer, the query processing layer, and the cloud services layer. Each layer has a crucial role, facilitating data storage, executing SQL queries, and providing security, respectively. It's this intricate design that makes Snowflake's architecture unique and efficient. So, that's how Snowflake's architecture works. Isn't it fascinating how all these layers work together to make data processing a breeze?